buy salvage cars, you will be surprised what you're gonna find.
Everything has to be removed.
It's gonna take longer than we thought.
As you can see, I'm removing the dashboard, and I think I will need to remove the center console because I want to remove the carpet. So there's a lot of work, because if you want to fix that corner, you have to weld a little bit, maybe some grinding and whatever else. So everything has to be removed with bare metal, step by step, from one part to another. I will continue.
So as the car is finally on wheels, you can see that Total continues disassembling the car, and there's a hope that we are not gonna find anything else really badly damaged, because we need to remove the dashboard and everything else. We need to remove the carpet over here, so we can see if there are any damage to the floor, because there might be, and if there are any, we will have to repair it. Yeah, we are not gonna do it by ourselves. We already tried to do that with the hinges. It didn't work. We wanted to put the doors back to the place so we could close them. That didn't work. Fixing the floors, that wouldn't work also. And so it was quite good at taking cars apart and not damaging stuff. He's much better at that than Robert. So the idea was that we wanted to keep rear fender as original as possible. So the dentless repair guy managed to bring it back to the really great shape. with the body shop, we're gonna make it look perfect. So there gonna be no cutting seams or anything like that, and it's still gonna be original one. Definitely there gonna be damage, like historical damage, but this is what we decided to do. And let us know in the comments, what would you do? Would you replace your Fender like this one, or would you repair it? And there is definitely pros and cons in both options. So yeah, we decided to do it this way this time.
So yesterday I have removed the dashboard, center console, and with removed windshield it's a little bit easier to remove these screws. You don't have to, but we cut it out because it would be needed when that corner will be fixed. So in that case you avoid some cracking or some other damages. So now I have to remove all these bars to remove... O kaip vadinasi šitas? Kaip klima vadinasi? Nu tiesiog visas pečiukas. Now I'm removing this bar because you have to remove heater in order to remove the carpet. So like I said before, it's a lot of work. So let's continue. So the heater is out. Now I have to disconnect some plugs and move on to the carpet removal. I don't know how long it will take, but almost everything is out. So maybe not so long.
So that's what we thought, and that's why I took the car apart, because when we saw the damage over there, we thought about damage over here, and it's clearly visible that we have some damage here. So the body shop gonna have to pull that side out and to straighten up this part, and we will have to measure multiple points. Yeah, so we found more problems for this one. As always, buy salvage cars, you will be surprised what you're gonna find.
So I moved some wiring, noise insulation for easy access to the corner, but I have to have a steering wheel, so I have to put this part back and bolt on it. And when a body shop wants to do something with that corner, they can easily move this out.
Who wants me to talk? You could do that. Super funny. So, as we found out, more damage, as I said. Thought we're cleaning his mess right now, and I'm gonna clean Rock's mess after that, right?
No.
We need to talk with the body shop what's next, because we need to pull this part, and the main thing what we don't know is if we need to move the engine. So it's gonna take longer than we thought. I guess this car not gonna run this summer, as the owner thought. But if Totva gonna work longer, it's possible. Just write in the comments, Totva work longer.
Even more?
Yeah, more please. For like, I know, 14 hours per day or 16, because 10, 12 is not enough.
I understand.
You have to understand that.
Say it to Rokas.
As you can see, he's not over here again. So I know he's not working. Driving the bus and taking parts is not part of the job.
No.
It's just having a break. So he shouldn't count that as a working hours. He's out right now. He's gonna be back in 1.5 hours. So it means that he is gonna work 1.5 hours longer.
Yeah, okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Totally approves. You can show your best. Yeah, that's his best thumb, the longer one.
It means great, it means not so great.
His left thumb means average.
Yeah.
That's it. Daniel, let's go to work. It's time for you to make this video. So.